Now for our feature story of the day. These catalysts can spark 6x Bitcoin explosion to 500,000 per coin during these challenging times, according to Standard Chartered Bank executive. And yes, the primary shareholder of Standard Chartered is none other than the largest asset manager in the world, which is BlackRock. And you should be able to see here on your screen. Let's break this baby down. Standard Chartered's head of digital asset and research, Geoffrey Kendrick, not to be confused with Kendrick Lamar. It's not like us. Leaning bullish on the biddy amid the correction that has seen the crypto king fall now close to 30% from the all-time high, reached Jan 20th on Inauguration Day. Kendrick says in the CNBC interview that a lot of negativity thrown at the crypto sector recently has driven the biddy to levels last witnessed about 4 months ago. That's right. Quoting him here. So somewhat challenging times, but again, for me, the medium-term story still remains very, very positive. According to Kendrick, Bitcoin can go up 135% this year and up to 513%, roughly 6x, by early 2029. Quoting him here. The medium-term topside potential, which for me is Bitcoin up to 200,000 this year and 500,000 per coin before Trump leaves office. Let me know if you guys agree and disagree. And on the catalyst that can drive the pre-low biddy to rally to a price up to $500,000. Standard Chartered head of digital assets shared the following. We should get more regulatory clarity through the year. This is stablecoin regulation. We should get to know your client type regulations come through, which can help the industry as well. And that should further legitimize. So you'll see more U.S. banks involved. You'll see the larger institutions in the U.S. continue to push through. And in the ETFs thus far, we haven't really seen much of the very long-term pension funds in the U.S. So here I am thinking state pension funds, etc., that are huge in size. They have $40 trillion worth of assets, and they only currently own 1% of all the ETFs in the U.S. So there is a very, very long-term sector that is still to participate. More regulatory clarity will help that. And then also the sovereign wealth funds. So the only sovereign that we know thus far that has bought the ETF is the Abu Dhabi Sovereign Wealth Fund. And they, if you don't know, they bought roughly $500 million worth, roughly 500 million. I'd expect more of that to come through this year as well. Agreed. So long-term pension funds, sovereign wealth funds, etc., are getting involved. So there's some of the reasons of why they believe Bitcoin will hit 500,000 before Trump leaves office. You know what I mean? So let me know if you agree or disagree. And again, welcome everyone to the Q&A segment of the live stream. I'm going to do my best to read your comments out loud, and give me a couple of minutes and we'll gift 10 memberships. Sound good? Let me know. We are up 11 hundo on the day, and we'll also, obviously, I'm going to stick around for at least an extra hour. We'll do some live Q&A, and we'll flip this stream into a pump watch as well. And we'll keep the stream running for like 3-4 bonus hours for you guys. Let me know if that sounds good. And again, welcome everyone joining us. It is a try stream. We're live on X, Rumble, and YouTube. And happy Sat Stack and Saturday. Happy first of the month. My brothers, we having a wonderful day. It's the first of the month, and we stacking biddy with the Nipsey.